how to fix messages are missing and restore them now on Messenger. So I will show you this tutorial from PC because part of this tutorial can't be done on mobile device. What can't be done on mobile device is restore messages. So if you have a problem with messages are missing, you can only go and set up your pin on storage messages, and it will say here, for example, messages are missing, restore now. To restore them messages, you will just have to enable that pin. I'm sure most of you have done that already, so we will skip that part and show you how you can restore the messages. So as this can't be done on mobile, I will show you this on PC. So when you open the chats, for example, on Facebook website, you will have to click on these three dots that are options. A new pop-up will come. You will just have to click on privacy and safety option and then click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Now click on message storage, and as you can see here, it will open a lot of things. We are interested in this manage secure storage. You want to download secure storage data to restore and see those messages. So we can just click on it and it will open us a new tab. As you can see, you can download your data in secure storage. So you'll just have to click this blue download file and you will have to download every message you ever got, and you will get the file with everything. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.